Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to delete games on Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete games on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam account, as I've already logged into my Steam account over here. And on this interface, after logging into your Steam account on the app on PC, you'll be on this interface where now in order to delete your games on Steam, you can see the library option available for us over here at the top left corner of the screen, where I'm currently hovering my mouse over here. And when you hover over that, this kind of drop down menu will appear. Click on that button where it says library, and on the library all of your installed games on your Steam account will be available over here. Now in order to delete a particular game, guys, you can see all of your list out games will be over here. Now in order to delete it, right click on the game which you want to delete, and this kind of interface will appear. You can see the manage button over here, and when you hover over manage, there is the uninstall option available for us. Click on uninstall, and then click on the uninstall button over here, and then that particular game will be deleted from your Steam account. And with that being said, guys, this is how to delete games on Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.